Hey guys, let's see how to pair Firestick TV remote. I have a new one here, but I want to still add this old one, and it works, alright? Sometimes it's hard to pair this old one, but it works. So I'm just showing here basically what you have to do. So the first thing that you need to know is that you have an LED just right here. You don't see it first, but the LED is just right here. When you press and hold the home button here, you're gonna see this flashing, okay? And then you can pair with your Fire TV stick. But first what I have to do is just make sure that you have batteries and they are good, otherwise it's not gonna work. And then you press and hold here. If you don't see the LED flashing here, then you need to reset the remote control. It happened to me, so I had to reset mine, right? I'm gonna show you how to reset later. Let's first try this one. Just press and hold here. And just observe if you're gonna see the LED flashing there. Usually it takes like 10 seconds. If you press and hold for like 30 seconds and doesn't flash because it's not working. Mine is working, you see it? And right now the Fire TV stick should see, should see the remote and allow you to add this as a new remote, right? And if you see this flashing like for a long time and then it stops flashing and you don't see working with your Fire Stick, that means you need to restart your Fire Stick, right? It looks like it's not gonna work because by this time it's supposed to be working already, right? So usually I just wait until I see this LED stop flashing. Let's just do it together here. I know sometimes it's pretty annoying, sometimes it doesn't work, and you just need to keep trying until you get it working, right? Still waiting, just a little bit more until it stops flashing. There we go, not working. Then I'm going to unplug and plug my Fire TV stick. I'm just come here. I'm using here a projector, and I just unplugged and unplugged it again from power, right? And you see the Fire TV stick is coming up. Then I just need to press here the button and hold until I see flashing. It doesn't matter if the Fire TV is still booting up. It's going to get into a search mode, right? So it's flashing here. The Fire TV stick is coming up. There we go, you see back there. So right now the remote is trying to connect, and sometimes it doesn't work. I get an error message back there, and then I just try again. Just keep trying. There we go. We're doing this together here, just to make sure that works for you as well. It took me a long time to make it work. Still not working. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna try one more time, right? Just press and hold here until it starts flashing. Not working yet. You can just press any button just to confirm that's not working. And then let me just try one more time. There we go. Holding the button. LED flashing. Let's see if it works now. There we go. We got a message there, like an error message, but I'll get also a message here that's connected, right? Let me just try using it now. There we go. So it's working, okay? And if you come here to the main menu, you see that I have now here on controllers and Bluetooth device. I have two remote controls, right? The old one and the new one. So good, working fine. If yours doesn't work, it's not starting flashing here. That's the first step, it's not flashing. So you just need to reset your remote. So you just come here, you hold this key and this one, and the third one here on the top, right? Let me just do this. So press, press, and hold. Oh, sorry guys, let me just Come back here to the main screen. Or what I can do as well is just turn off. Let me just do this. Let me just turn off here the Fire TV. So now I'm just resetting the remote control, right? It doesn't matter if the Fire TV stick is off. Let me just press and hold here. There we go. And hold it. Usually you can hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Just to make sure that's reset. I had this remote control not working before when I was pressing the home button to wait for the flashing light. Was not working, right? With this procedure, it starts working and you're good to go. I don't see any indication here. That's good. That's reset or something. It's kind of annoying, but it works, right? I just let it go. If you're not sure, you can just do this again. I see here that's flashing now. When I press any button here, it's flashing. I was about to do it again, but it's working now, right? During the procedure, you don't see any lights, but after this, you see a light there when the remote is reset, right? Then you can just start the process that I just showed here, right? And just pair with your Fire Stick, right? I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here if that works for you or doesn't work for you. And subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.